In this video, I will show you how to repair your car in Emergency Hamburg. So let's get started. So sometimes when you're driving, you get the notification that your car is nearly broken, and of course that is not cool. So what we need to do is we need to sit in our car and drive to the ADAC over here. So this is the place where you can basically repair your car. So all you need to do is to drive through that, and he is actually braking for the red light. Okay. So all we need to do is we need to drive to the ADAC, and I will show you what you need to do next. So as you can see, right there it is. Okay, I'm gonna turn right, and here we need to turn left, and here we need to turn right again. Oh, that is okay. I nearly crashed. Okay, here it is. So don't go into this one, but go into this, as you can see, vehicle garage. So what you can do is you can just drive into this, and as you can see, when you drive into this, repair a vehicle for 1300 euros. So your vehicle is damaged, you have to repair it before you can start tuning it. So you need to repair this. As you can see here, you can also change the color and stuff. So that is it. That is how you can repair your car. Now it will do its thing, and as you can see, you can also block people within this vehicle garage, which is very annoying for them, but funny for me. As you can see, he can go out. And yeah, you basically need to drive backwards, as you can see, in order to get out. But yeah, that is basically how you can repair your car within Emergency Hamburg. Now guys, if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.